If you want a hot estate car, you got two choices. You got the Mercedes C63 AMG, or you got this, the Audi RS4 Avant. And I think I know which one I'll have. This car it's an estate car. It's ridiculous. It really is. Underneath the bonnet, we got a 2.9 litre V6 engine that produces, you ready, 444 horsepower in an estate car. It's ridiculous. 0 to 60 comes up in 4 seconds. Top speed limited to 155 miles an hour. But if that's not fast enough for you, pay him a little bit of extra money and then take the limiter off so you can get the kids to school at 174 miles an hour if you need to. Inside, the car is just what you'd expect from Audi, that Germanic build quality that is just sumptuous and delightful. But now I've got this car in dynamic mode, I'm not bothering looking at the interior. I'm looking outside and how quickly the horizon comes up, because it just flies, this car, and it farts, bangs, pops and whizzes as it goes down the road. But if you select the button and put it in comfort mode, which I just have, everything calms down. It really does. And it's lovely, but it's all held together with that amazing Quattro four-wheel drive system you expect from Audi. It's wonderful. Admittedly, the AMG C63 rear-wheel drive might be a little bit more exciting, but this is a much better all-rounder. This is one cracking car.